afternoon students, welcome back to our video tutorial on Great TV. It's me Suresh from the second page. Today I'm going to do some problem from that's Surds of class 10 of compulsory mathematics. The content of this video beneficial for class 9, class 8 as well, how we simplify this type of numerical. As already discussed at the previous video, what the definition of Surds, we know, an irrational root of a rational number and its result is called Surds. It have many types, that simple Surds, that similar Surds, that compound Surds, that binomial Surds, mixed Surds, pure Surds. Already discussed about that one. Now, I'm going to discuss about the simplification of Surds. How we simplify this type of Surds. This type means addition and subtraction of Surds, another one multiplication and division of Surds. You have learned in class 6, class 7, class 8 that the like and unlike term, same process applied in Surds also. There is terms, addition and subtraction. Now, these two, we can add and subtract the rational factor. For example, 7 root under 3 plus 3 root under 3. Here, these two are Surds factor, that the irrational form. These two are Surds, and the coefficient of these two, 7 and 3 are the rational factor. If you have like Surds, in that case only we can add its rational form, rational factor. Is here 7 root under 3 and 3 root under 3, these two as like 7x plus 3x equal to 10x. We can add that too because that two are what? Like terms. Here these two Surds are like Surds. Its coefficient is nothing, only its order and predicate, order and base. Look here, order of the Surds is 2 because this is square root. Else order of the Surds is also 2. Predicate of both Surds are same, so we can add its rational factor. Here 7 plus 3 root under 3. Now 10 root under 3 is the solution of this form. This one is the simplification form of these questions. Here's first one. Similarly, 3 cube root under 2 minus cube root under 2. These two we can subtract or not. Yes, students. Before simplify these questions, remember what the order and predicate of that two. That means what types of Surds that two? That pure like or unlike Surds. If you have like Surds, in that case we can subtract and add. Otherwise we can't because. But here the order of first Surd is 3. Similarly, second one is also 3. And predicate of first and second are same. That means these two Surds are like Surds. We can subtract these two. We can subtract the rational factor. Rational factor of these two Surds means coefficient. That means 3 minus nothing. That means what? 1 cube root under 2. 3 minus 1, 2 cube root under 2. That's addition and subtraction. Only in like Surds. We can use this two. We can add and subtract only in like Surds. Like Surds, if you have like Surds, in that case we can add and subtract their rational form, rational factor. Similarly, second one, multiplication and division of Surds. We can multiply or divide if have same order. If have same order, we can multiply and divide the given Surds. For example, cube root under 5 divided by 4 cube root under 3. This one we can divide or not. Is nothing, that means what? 1 divided by 4. Here the order of both Surds are same. We can put here 5 and 3 in single root. That 5 divided by 3. This one is the solution of that Surds. Second one, 2 cube root under 3 multiply 3 cube root under 4. Now the order of both Surds are same. Order of first source is 3. Similarly, second one is also 3. Now 3 into 2 into 3, cube root of 3 into 4, that means 6, cube root under 12. This one is the solution of this one. Now finally, the conclusion of this two, in which condition we can add and subtract the given source. If two or more sources have like source, in that case only we can add and subtract. यदि दुई वा त्यो भन्दा बढी कुनै सोर्सहरु यदि लाइक सोर्सको फर्ममा छन् भने त्यो सोर्सहरुलाई हामीले एड र सबट्र्याक्ट गर्न सकिन्छ। मल्टिप्लिकेसन र डिभाइड गुणन र भाग गर्नलाई त्यो सोर्सहरुको अर्डर सेम भएको छ, क्रम सेम भएको छ। यदि अर्डरहरुको क्रम सेम छ भने त्यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गुणन गर्न पनि सकिन्छ, त्यसलाई डिभाइड भाग गर्न पनि सकिन्छ। त्यो स्टुडेन्ट्स कुनै पनि न्यूमेरिकल कुनै पनि सिम्प्लिफाई हामीले सल्युसन गर्दा पहिला त्यसको साइन हेर्ने र त्यतिखेर त्यसको अर्डर रेडिक्यान्ट हेर्ने। यदि अर्डर मात्रै सेम छ त्यसलाई हामीले मल्टिप्लिकेसन र डिभिजन गर्न सक्छौं। अर्डर र बेस दुई सेम छ त्यसको अर्थ जब त्यो लाइक सर्ट छ भने इन दैट केस वी क्यान युज एडिसन एन्ड सबट्र्याक्सन। We can addition and subtraction. Now I am going to do this numerical. There are three types of numerical. That 1, 2, 3. First 3 question is first type. Then question number 5 and 6, that is second type. Question number 6 and 7 is third types. Okay, students. Now look here. Let's start the question number 1. 7 root under 3 plus 5 root under 3 minus 2 root under 3. This expression, this form is trinomial form, having 3 terms connected by plus and minus. So this 3 trinomial that form. Now look first that irrational form, that is source form. Here root 3 is irrational, here root 3 irrational, here root 3 irrational. Now that source is, this whole is that mixers, this one is also mixers, this one is also mixers. Irrational number multiplied with rational form. Here also irrational number multiplied with rational form, this one is also. This terms. Now how we simplify these 3 terms? Simplify means change into simplest form. That the single term. Now look here. Yes, 7 is the rational factor, 5 is the rational factor, and 2 is the rational factor. We can add all of these. For that, before, what the order and radicand of this term? 3 sources. Now the order of first source is 2. Here those 2, here those 2, and the radicands are also same. That is we can do. We can simplify this one. We can take that common, that the irrational number root 3. Now remaining in first one is 7, then in second one 5, last one 2. You can put this one that the before root 3 or after root 3. Now root 3 got, this one means 7 plus 5, 12 minus 10. 10. That means 10 root 3 is the solution of this source. Or look at this one. Now 7 plus 5 minus 2. These are all are the rational form, rational factor. We can add and subtract. Then root 3. कुनै पनि सरल गर्दा यस्ता सर्टसँग रिलेटेड कुनै पनि क्वेशन प्रश्नहरुलाई सरल गर्दाखेरि त्यसमा हामीले पहिला त्यो सर्ट्सको क्रम र आधार छुट्याउनु पर्छ। क्रम र आधार सेम छ त्यसको अर्थ त्यो लाइक सर्ट्स हुन जान्छ। सजातीय सर्ट्स भन्छौं हामी जसलाई। सजातीय अर लाइक सर्ट्स भइदियो भने त्यसको र्याशनल फर्म अनुपातिक जुन खण्ड अनुपातिक खण्डलाई हामीले प्लस माइनस गर्न सक्छौं। यसमा रुट 3 तीनवटै जुन क्रममा भएका इर्याशनल अनानुपातिक खण्ड आफैमा सर्ट्स छ त्यो आफैमा क्रम र त्यसको रेडिक्यान्ट सेम छ। त्यसको अर्थ त्यसको कोएफिसिएन्ट अर्थात र्याशनल फ्याक्टर अनुपातिक खण्डलाई हामीले प्लस अर माइनस गर्न सक्छौं। So here rational factor of first one 7, second that 5 and third is 2. Now plus 7 plus 5 12 minus 2 that root under 3. Now 10 root under 3 is the solution of that simplest value of this numerical question. Okay, dear students, now I'm going to do that question number 3. Root under 16, cube root under 16 plus cube root under 54 minus cube root under 250. How we can simplify this numerical, this question? Dear students, here order of all terms the same, but its radicands are different. What these are unlike sorts? Please wait. These are unlike sorts or like sorts? First of all, here 16, 54, 250. We can reduce by prime factorization method. This 16, that cube root of 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 plus cube root 54 first 2, then 27, 3, again 9, 3 into 3 minus 3. This one 2 into now 125, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now the order of the sorts is 3. When we get inside from that radicand, it's different. That's order. यो जब रेडिक्यान्ट फर्मबाट हामीले बेसबाट कुनै पनि नम्बरलाई बाहिर निकाल्दा रेशनल फ्याक्टरको फर्ममा चेन्ज गर्दा कोएफिसिएन्टको फर्ममा चेन्ज गर्दा त्यसको अर्डर जति छ त्यसको पावर पनि त्यति नै हुनुपर्छ. यसको अर्थ क्यूब रुट अन्डर दैट 2 क्यूब टाइम्स 2 हामीले यसमा 3 into 2 power 1 किन हामीले यसको 3 गरेको भन्दा यसको अर्डर 3 छ, त्यही भएर we can get out this 2 from that radicand. Similarly, second one 2 times that 3 power 3 minus 3 2 times 5 power 3. Okay, now it starts. Now to get out from that radicand, this 2. Here this 2 is in radicand form, but now this one is rational factor. This is the coefficient of that source. Now 2 plus 3 cube root 2 minus 5 get out from that radicand, 5 cube root 2. Now look, the irrational number are same or not, the irrational factor are same or not. Here two rational factor, this irrational, rational, irrational, rational, irrational. Now irrational cube root 2, cube root 2, cube root 2, that all are same, that all are like sorts. Now we can add and subtract. Now here the coefficient of first one 2 plus coefficient second of 3 minus coefficient of last one is 5. Total cube root under 2. Now 0 cube root under 2. This means 0 is the solution of this one. Yes, this one is the answer. Okay, once more. Here 16, first of all the 16 radius by using prime factorization method. Place 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The order of the sorts is 3. So out of 3 we can get outside 1. So 2 power 3. Similarly, that 54 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This one is the prime factor of 54. These all are factor prime numbers. 250. That 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now 2 power 3, 3 power 3, 5 power 3. We can get out from that radicand 2. From here 3, from here 5. Now remaining inside that the radicand form, that cube root under 2, here also cube root under 2, here also cube root under 2. Now the coefficient of that or rational factor of that source, that 2 plus 3 minus 5, 2 plus 3 minus 5, that cube root 2. 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 5 0, 0 multiply this one, that's value is 0, this one is solution of this question. Okay students, now question number 4. Question number 4. Cube root 108 divide 3 3 cube root under 2. Now we are going to divide these two terms, these two sorts. First of all, have the same order or not. If you have the same order of that sorts, we can divide and we can multiply. Okay, now 5 cube root 108 divide sign 3 cube root 2 equal to 5 divided by 3. We can put in single root 108 divided by 2. Distance equal to 5 divided by 3. Now the quotient of this fraction is 54. Now this radicand or this base we can reduce by using prime factors method. Now 5 divided by 3, 54 means 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 5 divided by 3 cube root. Here 2 times 3 power 3. Okay, now this 3 we can get out from that radicand equal to 5 divided by 3. Now 3 get out from that irrational form, that 3 cube root 2. Resistance is multiply form. Now this 3 get out from that radicand. Now this 3 cut equal to 5 cube root under 2. This one is solution. Here the order of both sorts are same, so we can put in single root, single cube root, have a same order. So we can divide that two radicands. So 108 divided by 54 by using prime factorial. That 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now 3 raised to 3. Now 3 get out from that radicand because power of kids is 3 and order this one is also 3, so that two are same, that two are equal, so we can get out from that. Now inside that the radicand form only there 2. Just 5 divided by 3, this 3, your 3 by also 3, radicand to form a 2 matra by cube root under 2, so 3 cut. Now remaining 5 cube root 2, this one is answer. Resistance. तिमीहरु यो सल्युसनलाई यस्तो सिम्प्लिफाईहरु गर्दै जाऊ, कुनै ठाउँ कन्फ्युज भयो भने यस्तै भिडियोलाई फेरि तिमीले हेर्ने र यसैसँग रिलेटेड एक्जाम्पलहरु तिमीहरु बुकमा पनि टेक्स्ट बुकमा पनि छ, ती बुकहरुको क्वेशनहरुलाई यसरी एक्जाम्पल स्वरूप तिमीले हेरेर यसलाई सिम्प्लिफाई गर्दै जाने. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7. 3x minus 16 divided by 4 plus root under 3x. Look here, how we simplify this numerical, this question. For that, before entering this question, doing this question, now 2 power 1 by 2 into 2. We can write over this. 1 by 2 into 2. यसको अर्थ तपाईं न्युमेरेटर र डिनोमिनेटरमा छ, यो 2 हामीले एलिमिनेट गर्दा 2 ले लेख्न सक्छौं. 2 equal to 2 power 1 by 2 into 2 becomes value of this one is 2. यसको अर्थ कुनै टर्ममा कुनै नम्बर र त्यसको रेसिप्रोकलले हामीले मल्टिप्लाई गर्न पाउँछौं. रेसिप्रोकल व्युत्क्रम मल्टिप्लाई गर्न पाइन्छ. यो 3x root under 3x whole square minus 16 divided by 4 plus root under 3x. Root under 3x whole square or 3x, that is same. यो 3x लाई हामीले root under 3x whole square हामीले चेन्ज गर्न पाउँछौं. यसको अर्थ root under 3x whole square यो root जुन छ order 2 यसलाई पावर फर्ममा चेन्ज गर्दा 3x power 1 by 2 whole power 2 to part. Now 3x. So 3x like square root of 3x whole square हामीले त्यसलाई चेन्ज गर्न सकिन्छ. Now of one we can expand in formula. The formula of a square minus b square. First this one is also changed into power square form. 3x whole square minus 4 means 4 is 16 4 square, then 4 plus root under 3x. Okay, now as like this. A square minus B square, that means A plus B, A minus B. Okay, same A square, that is root 3x square minus 4 square. A plus B, that is root 3x plus 4. A minus B is root 3x minus 4. Divided by 4 plus root under 3x. Here, these two we can eliminate in factor form. Now, the remaining factor is root under 3x minus 4. This one is answer on this questions. Okay, dear students, if you want to do another questions, you can do from your textbook. Please, if you get confused, you can do that numerical with this video. So, this video must be important for you to want improving your calculation power or simplification power. Dear students, okay, thank you.